I bought Meet Kevin's YouTube course where he shares his tricks that have helped him build a business that in 2020 generated over $350,000 per month. In his best earning month, he even made $1 million in just 1 month. Here are 5 things I learned. Number 1, provide value. Where millions of YouTube creators try very hard every day to beat the YouTube algorithm, Kevin's approach is very simple, easy, and probably the best. Provide value. And when you think about it, there's so much truth to it. At the end of the day, YouTube wants people to stay as long as possible on the platform, come back as often as possible, and the algorithm is built around this idea. There is no need to beat the algorithm. So, as long as you provide a lot of value in your videos, people will watch it, people will come back, YouTube will recommend your content to more and more people, and your channel will grow. This is something I noticed on my videos as well. When I look back at my best performing videos, I can see that people either can learn a lot or are very entertained. I think the challenge as a YouTuber is more to find ideas to provide a lot of value for your audience. And this is where Kevin has a lot of tips to share in his course as well, to come up with new ideas. Number 2, Lightning. As a tech and video making interested person, I would say that I know something about Lightning. The importance of Lightning in videos, different tricks and Lightning techniques. You can find a lot of great tips here on YouTube. But Kevin's Lightning approach plays in another dimension. His advice puts everything on another level. In his course, he records some videos just using his phone, and he starts very bad with no special lighting, like with some basic lighting, and then he changes the lighting and brings the production quality on a level that I've only seen in professional TV productions before. Really, it looks like he booked a huge sound stage and a lot of people like assistants moving around, changing lighting with a multi-million-dollar budget. But in reality, he's alone in his garage and it looks amazing. I was highly impressed by this one. Number 3, makeup. Yes, he uses makeup. And it's so funny. I'm using makeup in my videos as well. Not only because my girlfriend has this makeup brand V Wonderland, but it makes the overall appearance of people on camera so much better. I, for example, live in California. The sun shines nearly every day and my skin gets sunburned. Makeup covers the redness caused by the sunburn and also gets rid of glowing skin caused by lightning. It makes the overall look so much more professional, and I just found it funny that Kevin uses makeup. Number 4, record directly to the computer. I noticed this one when I watched his video with Sarah Adichie. He says there that he doesn't like SD cards, putting them out of the camera, into the computer, importing the footage. Instead, he connects his camera directly to the computer and records on the disk on the computer. No need to import footage, and he can start immediately editing his footage. For him, it's about saving time. I personally think this is a little too extreme, since importing footage for me just takes less than a minute. Some people may like his very efficient approach. At the end of the day, he does everything by himself. No employees, no editors. His very detailed studio tour in his course is very impressive. Some of my favorite lessons in his course are where he records himself, how he records his YouTube videos. As a student, you can literally see every detail, how he produces his videos, how he prepares the videos, records the videos, edit the videos, and upload the videos. This alone is worth getting the course. I could tell you, but if you see this with your own eyes, it's very impressive. He's a machine, but at the same time, he gives you the confidence that you will be able to make the same. Number 5, use a switcher. Another thing I already saw in his video with Sarah, he uses a switcher, where you can use multiple cameras or other devices to change between them live. And I got one as well. I just have to press this button here. I have my other camera, can show you my switcher, I can show you my iPad, I can also show you the screen of my iPad, the other camera again, and also put me in one corner or the other corner. It's so much fun. You just press a button and boom! Great for live streams, great for saving time in the editing process. You can plug in another microphone as well for better audio quality, and just a fun device. So these were 5 things I wanted to share with you, but I have one more bonus point in a second. First, I wanted to let you know that these are just 5 points out of hundreds of things I learned in his course. He really knows that it's about provide as much value as possible. And this is exactly what he does with his course. It's a really comprehensive course with more than 100 lessons. I know it's not cheap, but if you're serious about YouTube, it's worth every penny. I highly recommend getting his course. I'm not getting paid for it. I don't have an affiliate link. I just loved it. Okay, so here's the bonus point. The biggest challenge for a lot of aspiring YouTubers is to record their first YouTube video. With Kevin's course, you don't have an option not to record your first video. You will create your channel, produce and upload your first video in the first lesson of the course. And this video won't disappoint you because he guides you step by step through the process on how to create a high quality YouTube video that you will be able to record in this moment. I'm serious, you will be so happy about that you want to record your second video right after. Okay, that's it. I hope you get some value out of this video. Give it a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks.